Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ma'am versus Sir lecture portrayals in college movies. We will explore the distinct ways female and male lecturers are typically depicted on screen. This includes analyzing their common teaching styles, character arcs, and the recurring tropes associated with each. Our goal is to understand how these cinematic representations influence our perceptions of educators, offering a comprehensive look at these fascinating archetypes. The Ma'am archetype in college movies often presents a multifaceted character. She might be portrayed as a nurturing mentor, a strict but fair disciplinarian, or an inspiring, unconventional academic. Her lectures frequently delve into humanities, literature, or social sciences, often serving as a catalyst for student growth. These portrayals typically emphasize emotional intelligence and a deep understanding of student needs, making her a pivotal figure. Conversely, the Sir archetype often embodies a different set of characteristics. He might be depicted as an eccentric genius, a brilliant but aloof intellectual, or a formidable, tough disciplinarian. His lectures frequently cover subjects like science, mathematics, or philosophy, challenging students intellectually. These portrayals often highlight a focus on logic, rigorous debate, and pushing academic boundaries, sometimes with a detached demeanor. These cinematic portrayals significantly shape audience expectations of real-life educators. While entertaining, such stereotypes can also be limiting, reinforcing traditional gender roles in academia. However, modern college films are increasingly challenging these established archetypes, offering more nuanced and complex characters. This evolution reflects a broader societal shift towards diverse and realistic representations, moving beyond simplistic hero or villain narratives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.